How to add GIFs in NanoBanana.AI. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to add GIFs to projects in NanoBanana.AI. First things first, open the NanoBanana.ai in your browser and log into your account. I'm already inside it and I have logged into. And make sure that you have did that too. And once you're inside, simply scroll down and go to the editor section. This is the editor section, and here you'll be seeing two options: image to image and text to image. As we are going to add a GIF, so we'll be using the first option, that is image to image. It's already selected, so we don't have to do anything. Now scroll down and there you can see an option called reference images. And here you can add up to 9 photos as a reference to make your image or the output better. So let's tap on this image right over here. Then tap on the image where you want to add the GIF. While it's loading, simply tap on this main prompt right over here. And over here, describe the GIF that you want to add to a photo. Maybe like this. And once you are done writing the prompt, simply tap on generate now right over here. Tap on it. Then NanoBanana.ai will process your request and will give you the results right over here in the output gallery section. However, I'll not be able to show you the results as I don't have sufficient credits to reproduce the image, but that's the process. And that's it. That's how we can easily add GIFs in NanoBanana.ai. I hope this video helped. And lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll be seeing you in the next one.